Today we're going to see how to make Kraler. Kraler is like a game in Dutch. I call Kraler in Dutch because I don't know it in English. Kraler is a very fun game for children. If you are living in the Netherlands, then you can find Kraler in IKEA or somewhere else. Maybe. But if you're not, if you're somewhere like in other countries, that's a misunderstanding. Like, it's not a misunderstanding. Like, you just cannot do it. So I am going to teach you how to make one of these. This is Kraler. You can even make these. There's different kinds of shapes that you can make. This one is a circle, this one is heart. Today there's a new person working with us. Okay, so I'm going to call him and then you need to say hi in the count of 3, okay? He's coming. Okay.
I am the new person.
Yes. So this is my brother Vishwak. Say hi to Vishwak in the count of 3. 3, 2, 1. Hi Vishwak. Nice work. You did it. Now I am going to introduce him. He is like, yeah. Do you want to say what you like to say?
Yeah. Let me know.
Okay. He's always kind of like a little bit. Come in there. Come. Okay, now we're going to do Kraler with me and him, Vishwak. If you want, you can call him Vishwak or Vishu. Yeah.
Or Tamu.
Wait, no, not. Sorry. So, we're going to make one of those Kraler. Okay? So first, I'm going to pause straight and then you can make it up. Okay, we're back into the video. Oh, come on. You're not in the video. Okay, so we've chosen our shape. Let's show our shape. Mine is a square, a blue square. What do you have?
I have.
Ooh, a yellow heart. That is a heart. Hearts are lovely. I like hearts. Except I already made one heart.
And that's
So, now we showed you this. We will put this in here. Put it next to you. Right here.
But then it falls.
Okay. Now, if you bought this box from IKEA, then you can make this. So,
Okay.
So we also need this box. So I will tell you what we need to put this box with. Here. Okay, so if you want, you can put it in a bowl, or you can just take it one by one for this whole box. Let's begin. But first, I'm going to begin with all of them. Then when you're finished, I will unpause and then show you what we're going to do next. So, take your own time doing your Kraler and then wait for us to open again. Bye. Okay, guys. Now it is time for the fun part. Oh, shut, you're not being seen. Now we are finished. Now we're finished putting our beads like the beads in the shape. Now we're going to show you, but first I'm going to tell you something very important. After, when you're done, when you're done putting the beads in the shape, you need this paper.
Let him also speak.
See, do you want to explain it?
We need to put this.
They cannot see you.
We need to put this top of this, and then we need to iron it. Both.
He means that we need to put this in top of our shapes, and then we need to iron it.
So I need to place on top of this, right?
Right.
Place it.
Right.
Yeah, yours is also here. Okay.
Wait.
Look, also yours.
Vishwak.
Wait.
Mommy, put it here. Now we're going to iron it. Remember, remember, ironing is very dangerous for kids. So adults needs to help you for ironing it. Now let's start ironing it. Now we are going to iron this. Be careful because it's very hard. Make sure the adult is helping you, or if you are an adult, then you can do it on your own. Now we're going to open this and it's going to turn exactly which we showed you. Oh, Mommy, it's breaking.
No, it's not.
You gently, you need to take this or else it will break into pieces.
You have to wait until it cools down completely.
Yep, because it will be really hot if you take it out. Now we're going to try the other one from Vishwak. It's hot.
Well, this.
You stay away, Vishu.
This. With this hot. Yeah, this.
Now his is coming. Remember, be gentle when you're taking it out, or else it will break. We don't want them to break, right?
Yeah.
Once it cool down, we can demold it.
Mine is so hot. Okay, I won't do that.
So we finally made our shape.
Yeah, look. My heart.
Mine is a square, a beautiful square. It bended a little bit. And yours is a
Heart.
a beautiful heart, a lovely heart.
And,
Okay,
and one heart is this.
Yep.
It's yours.
So thank you for watching our video. Hope you like and subscribe to our channel. See you next time. Bye. Say bye, Vishwak.
Bye.